In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Raycast on your computer. Raycast is a powerful and intuitive tool that enhances productivity by streamlining your workflow, and I'm excited to help you get started with it today. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the official Raycast website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in raycast.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll land on the homepage of Raycast. This is where you'll find everything you need to get started with the installation. Next, on the homepage, you'll see an option to download Raycast. Currently, Raycast offers a version for Windows, which is in its beta phase. You'll want to look for the button that says Download for Windows Beta. It's important to note that since this is a beta version, there might still be some features under development, but it's a great way to start experiencing what Raycast has to offer. After clicking the download button, you'll need to wait for the download to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. You'll notice the download progress either at the bottom of your browser or within your Downloads folder, depending on your browser settings. Once the download is finished, you'll have the installation file ready on your computer. Now it's time to install Raycast. Locate the downloaded file, which is usually found in your Downloads folder unless you've set a different location. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. You may be prompted with a security warning asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is the standard procedure for any new software installation, so go ahead and click Yes to proceed. The installation wizard will open, guiding you through the process step by step. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation. It usually involves accepting the terms and conditions, choosing an installation location, and confirming that you want to proceed. Once you've done that, the installation will begin and should be completed in a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you can open Raycast directly from the installation wizard by clicking Finish, or you can find it in your list of installed applications. Launch it to start exploring its features. Raycast is designed to help you perform tasks more efficiently, so take some time to familiarize yourself with its interface and capabilities. And there you go. You now have Raycast installed on your computer, ready to help you streamline your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with Raycast.